Welcome to Unwind Vibes. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of yoga. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or someone just starting out, this video will help you understand the powerful benefits yoga can bring to your body, mind, and soul. So grab your mat, get comfortable, and let's explore the magic of yoga together. Section 1. Physical benefits. 5 minutes practice. Let's start with the physical benefits. Yoga is an incredible practice for enhancing your body's strength, flexibility, and balance. When I first started practicing yoga, I noticed changes in my body that went beyond just flexibility. My posture improved. I became more mindful of how I carried myself, and my strength increased, especially in areas like my core and legs. One of the great things about yoga is that it's adaptable to all levels of fitness. Whether you're looking to tune your muscles or simply improve your range of motion, yoga has something for you. And it's not just about flexibility. Yoga helps build lean muscle, strengthens your core, and even improves your cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that regular yoga practice can reduce chronic pain, improve joint health, and even boost your immune system. It's like giving your body a tune-up every time you practice. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment, just a mat and a willingness to try. Different styles of yoga focus on different aspects of physical health. For example, Hatha yoga is great for beginners and focuses on basic poses and breathing techniques, while Vinyasa yoga provides a more dynamic, flow-based workout. Yin yoga, on the other hand, focuses on deep stretches and is perfect for releasing tension in the body. Section 2. Mental and emotional benefits. Try for 5 minutes. Now let's talk about the mental and emotional benefits of yoga. This is where the magic really happens. When we practice yoga, we're not just moving our bodies, we're also working on calming our minds and balancing our emotions. Through mindful movement, meditation, and breathing exercises, yoga helps reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. It's scientifically proven that yoga can lower cortisol levels, that's the hormone responsible for stress, and improve your overall mood. One of the things I love most about yoga is how it helps you slow down and connect with your breath. In today's fast-paced world, we often forget to breathe deeply, and that can have a huge impact on our mental state. By focusing on our breath, we bring ourselves back to the present moment, which calms the mind and reduces anxiety. I found that incorporating yoga into my daily routine has made me more resilient. I handle challenges with more ease, and I'm able to stay grounded even when life gets hectic. This is something I hear from a lot of people who practice yoga. It gives you the tools to manage stress better and approach life with a sense of calm. And it's not just about stress relief. Yoga can also improve your focus, memory, and cognitive function. When your mind is calm, it's easier to concentrate and be present in the moment, which can lead to better productivity and overall mental clarity. Section 3. Spiritual benefits. Try for 4 minutes. Yoga is deeply rooted in spirituality, and for many people, it offers a pathway to self-discovery and inner peace. While you don't need to be spiritual to practice yoga, many find that the practice naturally leads to a deeper connection with themselves and the world around them. For me, yoga has been a journey of self-awareness. It's taught me to be more present, more compassionate, and more in tune with my own needs. Whether you're connecting with your inner self or exploring a spiritual path, yoga creates space for personal growth. Yoga encourages you to listen to your body and your inner voice. This mindful approach can lead to profound spiritual insights, a sense of purpose, and a connection to something greater than yourself, whether that's nature, a higher power, or simply your own inner wisdom. And while yoga's spiritual benefits can be deeply personal, they're accessible to everyone, no matter where you are on your spiritual journey. Yoga can help guide you toward a more peaceful and fulfilled life. Section 4. Practical tips how to start. Try for 5 minutes. Now that we've talked about the benefits of yoga, you might be wondering how to get started. The great news is that yoga is for everyone, all ages, all body types, and all fitness levels. If you're new to yoga, start slow. You don't need to be flexible or have a perfect body to begin. Yoga is about progress, not perfection. Focus on finding a practice that works for you. One of the best ways to start is by incorporating just 10 to 15 minutes of yoga into your daily routine. Begin with basic poses like downward dog, child's pose, and cat-cow stretches. You can gradually increase your practice as you become more comfortable. Remember, consistency is key. Even just a few minutes each day can have a powerful impact over time. And don't be afraid to explore different styles of yoga until you find the one that resonates with you. Thanks to technology, you can access yoga classes online from the comfort of your own home. Whether you prefer guided sessions on YouTube apps or live classes, there's a wealth of resources available to help you get started. Yoga is so much more than just a workout. It's a way to nourish your body, mind, and soul. It offers a holistic approach to well-being, and the benefits can truly be life-changing. If you're ready to start your yoga journey, I encourage you to take that first step today. Thank you for joining me on Unwind Weebs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on yoga, wellness, and holistic living. Share this video with someone who could benefit from yoga. And remember, it's never too late to start your journey to a healthier. Thanks for watching.